Okay, before I kick things off, I just want to give a shout out to all of the PC gamers out there without whom this episode wouldn't have been possible. Because this week's Crypto Unfiltered is around PC gaming, and without gamers, there can be no gaming. So keep playing, guys. Now to the serious bit. The PC gaming industry that bloomed along with the 90s generation has only grown in the recent years. To match the new age tech developments, the PC gaming industry that generated a revenue of around $180 billion last year, which is in Indian rupees this figure, and please do not ask me to convert it into Indian rupees because it's impossible, is getting revamped with a crypto twist. With crypto elements like metaverse and NFTs gaining pace, the gaming industry is undergoing a revolution with massive changes like crypto-based in-game purchasing options and rewards. And this week we will explore the crypto-backed world of next-gen gaming. Video games to earn money, the lifelong dream of many kids, is finally coming to life with the booming of the crypto space. It sounds so good to be true that it could even make me cry. Several games and gaming companies have integrated crypto reward systems into their offerings, allowing players to enjoy gaming while also churning crypto tokens at the same time. मतलब एक अनुमान लगाइए कि आप एक ऐसी दुनिया में होगे जहां आपको वीडियो गेम्स खेलने के लिए पैसे मिल रहे हो. Online card game Gods Unchained allowed players to trade their high cards for Ether tokens. Just playing can earn you Ether tokens, each of which is currently trading above $4,000 or this sum. यार खुद गूगल कर लो how much this is. Online games like soccer-based Sorare, property construction-inspired Evolution Land, and car racing-based game F1 Delta Time are built on blockchain and allow players to earn and trade crypto rewards with others. Some move to earn games like Geno Pets actually reward players with crypto assets based on how much they moved around while playing around. It's the same format as Pokemon Go but with a crypto flavor. ऐसे गेम से पैसे कमाने के लिए प्लेयर्स के पास एक क्रिप्टो वॉलेट होना जरूरी है और उस क्रिप्टो वॉलेट का एड्रेस उस स्पेसिफिक गेम के प्लेटफॉर्म से कंपैटिबल भी होना जरूरी है. Some games also allow their characters to be traded among players as NFTs or digital collectibles, the values of which may increase overnight. To get a few more insights on blockchain-based gaming and the role of crypto in it, we spoke to an expert about their thoughts on this ecosystem. The play-to-earn model of gaming is setting new standards in the crypto space. How do you see this space evolving and what could be its future?
There's a lot happening in this space. Let me explain with an example. In the case of Brazil, as we know, soccer has been a way out of poverty for many people. And a lot of kids play in the slums in the hope of making it to professional clubs and earning some real money. A similar scene is unfolding in the case of esports and gaming in Brazil, especially in the case of Free Fire. A lot of people participate in Free Fire esports tournaments simply to make money. And we see a similar thing happening in the Philippines with Axie Infinity. These are actually real examples of people earning money through playing to pay their food, to pay for their bills, to pay for their medicines, apart of course from the entertainment value of gaming.
Do you think one needs to invest heavily to get into crypto gaming? What are some of the challenges one could face and what should gamers be on the lookout for?
Blockchain legitimizes digital assets. And as the metaverse develops, people will be able to take their digital presence, whether it be avatars or purchases, achievements from one digital space into the other. And we spent it in this gorgeous digital space, which was open air. There were balloons and fairy lights. It was a beautiful setting, and we did all of this while sitting in our PJs at home. So there was of course also a dress for £1,500, which I could have chosen to buy, but I did not. And the point really is, if at my age, if I'm excited about such things and I'm spending so much time in a digital space, just imagine what the younger kids would do. Blockchain, metaverse, NFTs, crypto are all evolving concepts. The more we do, the more we will learn about these technologies. At the same time, there are questions around regulation and policy, which I expect to be ironed out over time, as it does with any new technology or concept.
Let's take a look at other important developments in the crypto space now. In recent days, the crypto market movement has remained a bit slow. Ever since the crypto market tumbled after India's parliamentary agenda of banning private cryptocurrencies made it to the headlines. There were also some pro-crypto events that added more pinches of validity to the space. कोलंबिया में कुछ जाने माने बैंक्स अब बिटकॉइन, ईथर और कुछ और टोकन्स में ट्रेडिंग भी चालू कर चुके हैं। कुछ क्रिप्टो फोकस कंपनीज भी आपस में मिलकर एक अपने इंस्टीट्यूशनल इन्वेस्टर्स के लिए एक मिलिट्री ग्रेड कस्टोडियल क्रिप्टो सिक्योरिटी सॉल्यूशंस को तैयार कर रहे हैं। In fact, crypto related firms globally raised more than $30 billion in investment from venture capital firms. This is the largest collection so far. In 2018, crypto firms had only managed to bag $8 billion in their kitties. Analysts have noted that the crypto sector is maturing at quite a healthy rate. Ahead of the Christmas season, the crypto space unfortunately does not seem to be all that merry. While Bitcoin prices remained around $50,000 and substantially far away from its all-time high of $68,000, Ether rates also stayed put at $4,000. Several cryptocurrencies including Bitcoin, Ether, Cardano, Ripple and Polkadot among others neither lost nor gained exponentially. Even meme-based doc coins like Shiba Inu and Dogecoin failed to stir success stories. As a merit point for the SHIB token, however, it did get listed as a trading option on the international exchange Bitstamp. Time to look at how major tokens are performing, because as an investor in crypto, you need to keep an eye out on details like these. If we look at our crypto tracker for the week, we can see that Bitcoin is down by 1.06%, while Ethereum is down by 1.76%. Tether and Ripple have seen a rise of 0.81% and 3.80% respectively, and Cardano has also shown significant growth of 4.15% in the last 24 hours. Crypto's future in India is yet to be decided, as regulation policies are said to be in place very soon. Be sure to catch all our future episodes for all the updates around crypto. That's it for Crypto Unfiltered for this week. If you have any questions around cryptocurrency or any jargon that you don't understand, please do send them across to us on our Twitter or Facebook pages and we'll have an expert answer them for you. This is Cyrus signing off with the promise that I'll be back with more crypto gyan next week. See you soon.